Good morning to all students belonging to class first year and class intern RS Inter College Kanpur. Dear students, I am going to teach you today synthesis. The chapter is synthesis. Synthesis means to combine many sentences into one sentence. There are three kinds of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. One day I have taught you the simple sentence, and today I am going to teach you compound sentence. In compound sentence, there are two kinds of sentences. First, principal clause and coordinate clause. Principal clause plus coordinate clause equal to compound sentence. Means compound sentence can be formed by combining principal clause and coordinate clause. As Ram goes to school, it is principal clause, and he went to temple also, and he went to temple also, it is coordinate clause. The coordinate clause starts with the coordinating conjunction and but or yet, so or otherwise, either or, neither or. These are the coordinating conjunction. Principal clause plus coordinate clause, and coordinate clause starts with coordinating conjunctions and but, so, either or, neither nor, otherwise, yet, etc. These are the coordinating conjunctions. With the help of these conjunctions we make compound sentence. As for example, he went to market, he bought the books there. It will be he went to market and he bought the books. So there is one sentence, and that is called compound sentence. Sushil is rich, he does not put on good clothes. Sushil is rich, this is principal clause. He does not put on good clothes, this is other clause. There are two sentences, and we have to make two sentences into one compound sentence. These are simple sentences. Simple sentences are two simple sentences, but we have to change these two simple sentences into one compound sentence. Then it will be like Sushil is rich, but he does not put on good clothes. Mahesh is my friend, he does not help me. Mahesh is my friend, yet he does not help me. So in these sentences also, there are two sentences. Mahesh is my friend, other sentence is he does not help me. In contrast, we use but or yet. And to proceed further, after doing one work, we do the other work, then and should be added. So in this way, it will be Mahesh is my friend, yet he does not help me. Monu did not pass, his brother also did not pass last year. So there are two sentences. Monu did not pass, one sentence. His brother also did not pass last year, it is second sentence. With the help of these two sentences, we have to change into one compound sentence by adding the coordinate clauses. As neither Monu passed nor his brother passed last year. So there is one sentence, and the full meaning, the full sense of the two sentences, above written sentences, are given in one compound sentence. Neither Monu passed nor his brother passed last year. In the same way, he stole my book. If not, his brother stole it. So we use either or neither not in this sentence. Either he stole my book or his brother stole it. So it we have used the pronoun for the book because the one noun should not be repeated again and again, and for the second, third and so on many times pronouns are used. So that's why either he stole my book or his brother stole it. You do not sit silently, go out. There are two sentences. You do not sit silently, it is one sentence. Go out is second sentence. It is an imperative sentence also. And we shall combine these two sentences into one compound sentence. It will be sit silently or go out. So with the help of or, it is or is coordinate conjunctions. That's why principal clause plus coordinate clause equal to compound sentence. So sit down, sit silently or go out. So it will be sit silently or go out. In this way we have known that there are two kinds of sentences in compound sentence. One principal clause is compulsory and one or more than one sentences of coordinate clause should be. Then it will be compound sentence. So we have solved the simple sentences to change into coordinate clause, and now you have to do the homework also. For homework I have got the written. It will be solve one exercise of transformation compound sentences. So you have to do it from the grammar copy, and the second work is one exercise translation exercise number 30. You 30 have, you have to change, you have to transform or translate this Hindi exercise into English language. In this way you have to do a work. Now you have to get these sentences written in your pair copy, and this homework you have to do in the homework copy. Thank you very much. Do it soon.